Monday, February 21st, 2011. Eating quarters to protect from attack. Gunfire. One special quarter has a painting on it. Family. A fruit cart. Coconut with blackberry juice inside. Floods. A river. I walk along to the sewer line where furniture keeps disappearing. Rocking horses. Queen Anne chair. Go back to an apartment. Safe house headquarters. Go down to the ocean. A wide, shallow field of marshy seaweed and colorful bacteria swirls before you can get to the open water, so we take a different path. White pebbly sand. This beach has a giant open warehouse facing the shore for privacy. Steep incline, but not hard to walk down. Somewhere to put my galoshes and towel. I discover a cave in the face of the shore. It's small but deep and has alien rounded edges. Soft beams of light stream down from deeper inside, an eerie glow. A few dead crustaceans, crawdads, crabs around the outside. Lisa? We bask in the shallows and tell stories about the deep. The waves of a great storm plunge a whaling ship down into the drink. And as it rockets back up, a gargantuan whale races toward it, but flies past the ship, possibly taking one crew member, before the ship breaches the surface.